Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Our love blossoms like a spring garden. Every petal whispers, I love you. You're the wildflower in my heart. In the garden of love, you're my favorite bloom. Every love story should bloom like spring flowers. My heart is a garden, and you are the bloom. Our love is like a wildflower, free and beautiful. Without you, my world feels like a withered flower. Our love is rooted deep like a strong oak. I'd pick you again and again, my love. Your love is as sweet as a jasmine breeze. Like a sunflower, I turn to you for light. If love were a flower, I'd pick you every time. Like a sunflower, my love always follows you. Your love is the rain that helps me grow. Love is the softest petal in life's bouquet. You're the rose that colors my world. With you, love blossoms endlessly. You're the fragrance in my life's bouquet. Love is like a flower, it needs care to bloom. I love you like a rose loves the morning dew. I love you more than a bee loves flowers. You are my morning rose and evening jasmine. A single rose can be my garden, a single love, my world. You are the petal to my heart's bloom. Love is like a daisy, simple, pure, and beautiful. You are the most beautiful flower in my garden of life. My heart blooms whenever I see you. You are my floral fairy tale. Love is the seed, and we are the blossoms. Our love is a bouquet of happiness. With you, every season feels like spring. Love is the wildflower that grows in the heart. You make my heart blossom with happiness. Like a flower, love needs patience and care.